Ah yes, hugs. You literally stuck your tongue in my nose.
Yeah, she's done that with
That's really clapped.
What are we doing?
Should we do it like Ed China style? And just like take everything off first and then just like, oh look how easy this comes off. You're not seeing these? Oh no, that's a sound diffuser, mad. It's like a little spongy cushion inside to stop the sound from going shh.
So we're gonna get more sound.
Hopefully, yeah. I hope so, because this really sounds disappointing, this engine. And
Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to beloved Apex, and actually welcome to, I think, the very first winter upgrade mechanical type of thing video together with George and Bora and Pancake. So what we're doing today is installing air intake from Eventuri on the Yaris, and on top of that also a rear seat delete kit from STEM Performance. We're gonna start off with the intake. So we did comparison sound of before. We're also gonna do one after, obviously, but we're gonna insert the clips later on. But first thing, to be able to install the intake, you need to remove the original one.
really?
I think so.
I never knew that.
Yeah, me neither. But it was just my lucky guess.
You should be a mechanic.
Yeah, you should.
And I don't think so.
I think I've just found my second mechanic.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
That's lit.
Speaking of which, are we still looking for mechanic?
Yeah, we have a couple of people coming for trial within the next week, so hopefully that goes well.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of people apply. Oh look, funky filter. It looks like K&N, but it's not.
Oh, is that it? It's a bug.
It's a fly. It's actually pretty clean,
Yeah.
considering how many kilometers it's done already.
It's also because this year we only had water and flood and no pollen.
But no, hopefully we'll have one very soon, because otherwise, oh, that comes out easy. Oh look, more sound deadening stuff. I know.
So that's why the stock one sounds bad. Oh, extra intake. We can put a short shifter in there and like make even more misshifts.
I think they do a CAE shifter for these.
Yeah, I know.
You could put pancake in there.
But to be honest, I'm not really interested in that, because it makes it even more difficult for people to drive the car.
Yeah.
Just make it a dog box.
Dog box.
You're clapped.
Would you fit in there?
No, we're not putting the dog inside the engine.
Why?
No.
That's content.
No, it's stupid.
You're no fun.
No, I am fun.
No, you're no fun.
That's just stupid.
You also don't want to do a TikTok video for Diana.
Yeah, there's no way I'm getting on TikTok.
That's fair.
If this video
Video is
gets...
clapped. It's absolutely clapped.
How many likes do you get on your YouTube videos, Misha?
between 1 and 2,000.
Okay, so if this video
Gets 100 likes. Then George is
I was
doing...
gonna say 2,500, but
Okay.
yeah.
Boy, if it gets 2,500 likes and 100,000 views, then I'll do it. But
Ooh! Make sure to share this video.
I'm not getting naked on TikTok otherwise.
It wasn't about naked.
You're a mess.
Well,
No one wants to see you naked.
You're
no
confusing...
one wants to see. That's exact. I don't want to see myself naked.
You're confusing OnlyFans with TikTok.
Yes.
Ah, yes.
Only
Apex
friends.
OnlyFans.
That's what. Only France. That's Bora's version. Oh, I didn't know what that was then. A strange laugh, Bora.
While you're doing some struggles here,
Struggle bus.
I'll check out... That looks very nice, honestly. Like this dry carbon fiber.
This is which?
Really cool.
There's no instructions. Oh, there's the instructions?
There is? Oh, maybe it's warranty.
No, it's stickers.
Stickers!
Shoes. Adds 5 horsepower. Now I'm gonna guess that this goes on the original.
Obviously.
Yes, it will. Oh my god, that's tight. Who done? I done this up. I'm gonna
Oh,
cry.
it has a turbo.
That really hurt my finger.
Should I ask Pancake to give it a kiss?
No, I'm good. Yes, Bora with a new
New
phone.
iPhone flex!
I know.
Yes!
It's coming here to flex on everyone.
I'm still waiting for like new Samsung to come out.
What do you mean you wish?
Well, it's not really my phone, is it? So I'm not gonna
Well-
flex something that's on mine.
I mean, that's
Apex
what
is-
social media is about.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at my GT2 RS.
I'd rather be honest.
Why do you use Photoshop then?
Pancake. Where are you going? Yeah, that looks very comfortable.
You know, she just wants to be with you, but
It won't come loose. I don't know why.
yeah, someone told me in one of the comments, like when we're gonna install this intake, taking off the original intake, there's like the back one is lots of fun. So whoever said it, there we are.
That's okay. This is easy. They obviously never worked on Audis before. That pipe is very tight. But I have been smart here. I did preheat the engine, so I'm not working on a cold engine. Oh, that's very tight. With many bolts that are really tight. Just one clip, little clip, there we go. with another sound deadening piece.
Hmm.
Seems they really wanted to keep the noise down, unlike Japanese. I'm going to test fit everything first before I do all the clamps up, just in case, just FYI. We're just test fitting.
Yeah, we're doing headlight delete.
Headlight delete, imagine. This is the first Eventuri product I've ever had to deal with. It's very nice. Carbon works awesome. I guess there's a reason why carbon fibre dynamics deal with them then. Oh, I think we might have to take this out. Looking at it. No. Might be good. No, we're good. Okay, so. Yeah, so I guess these bolts replaced by these ones, I would guess. And then nuts for the other side because they're longer. Well, we don't need that.
Spare part.
9! Fuck! That's annoying. Now I've got to take the under tray off. Well, don't do that, kids. Leave that bag closed.
Or don't do it above an engine bay.
Yeah, I don't open it above an engine bay.
Hello, can you sniff out some nuts? Wrong nuts.
These nuts? You want to help? Oh yes, wash. Thank you. This is the jacking point. Look, come here. Okay, this is the jacking point. This is where you put the lift. Okay. Push this. God's sake, dog. You put it in the wrong place. Lucky it's not a McLaren because you'll be buying a new tub. Oh yes, licks, kisses. Thank you.
Yes.
That's it. It's the mass sensor. Well, we now need to find the ratchet.
That fell inside. Off camera.
I don't know where it went. Oh, please don't be in the tub, right?
Okay, fast forward to tighten up. Ta-da! Ta-da! And now let's try with the mic connected and working.
Well, it's quite easy to fit. Very easy to fit.
In total, it took us, well, it took you half an hour-ish.
Yeah, and even that was finding a ratchet and finding a socket for 10 minutes. Yeah, so pretty easy. 10mm clamp, two 12mm on the pipe. Take these out of the way. You get supplied a little nipple for this to take it off. For the vacuum line that runs to the solenoid which controls the flap on the OEM box. So you blank that off. Everything else is plug and play. You take the whole clamp off the front, switch these two bolts out for the ones they supply, so you can put the bracket with the nuts on. Then everything's kind of just like clicks into the original places and lines up pretty nice.
Oh.
It's pretty easy. I've kept this on. It looks a bit scruffy, and I would normally do this differently if it was, but because it's the rental car, we're going to end up putting it back to stock at some point. When it gets sold, I don't want to start cutting things off looms and it gets lost too easy, so I've just tucked it up out of the way. It's fairly straightforward. We'll have to do a video of it driving. We'll have to go and drive it.
No, it looks good.
Yeah, it does. The quality's amazing.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Well, I mean, what else do you want? It looks good, it fits good, and it sounds good. So there's that.
Well, performance is the main thing.
Oh yeah, that for sure. Probably 4 things. Could be 5th thing. You know, then we can use all the hands on the finger, all the fingers on the hand.
Hands on the finger.
Ah, I know the 5th thing. It comes with a sticker.
10 horsepower of sticking.
Yes, there we go. We should put it like on the actual intake maybe. Because then it's
No,
like
no, that looks no.
no.
Leave it as it is. It's
Okay.
classy.
True.
Start sticking stickers.
What's up
everywhere.
with? Oh, that's like from Eventuri, the V.
Yeah, it's this in case you want to put the anywhere, but no.
We can put it there like for the airflow that it goes that way.
No.
Should we do the rear seat delete kit?
Yes, let's do that. Right, okay. I have no idea how this goes.
Maybe we can go on Shmi's Instagram and see if there's something there.
They probably have something on their website.
On their website,
I know it's pretty straightforward and it can only go in certain places, but I'd rather make sure before I start smashing the pole around inside. I kind of guess where these go. Oh, I can't even see that. Can we even fit that? Because we've got the cage here. We might have to make some adjustments, Misha.
No, quick fast forward, and it seems that we may not be able to fit it in our case.
Because of the cage.
Yep.
Where the brackets bolt, the bar touches the cage. So we can fabricate something for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Just like not today.
Yeah, not today. So what I'm probably going to do is put in the polystyrene and put the floor in, the carpet. Because the carpet we might have to cut for the cage as well, because I don't think that's beared in mind that we have a cage. I'm not sure. I have to test and see, but either way, I think that's going to have to go in. So we need to test that first, and then we shall see about the bars after. Because I want to put this in. This is cool.
Yeah.
This is really cool.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
But if you don't have a cage, then it literally bolts straight in, easy, with all the trims in and everything. It's nice.
And as we could have seen on their website and Instagram, you can have different colors and different finishes with carbon. I think I actually picked black because it would match our cage.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice bit of kit. Do you approve? Yes? Yes?
However, we did manage to put the carpet in, which looks actually quite good. But the only thing what we're missing to make it work perfectly are the inner trims.
The idea behind the carpet is that in places, obviously there's gaps here and stuff where the trims sit. So the trims will sit on top of the carpet and make it look OEM. But obviously we have no trims in, so you can see all around the edges and all around these bits. Which in our case is less than ideal, but it does fit. It's got the cutouts for around the roll cage, so they've obviously taken into mind that there could be a cage fitted. Obviously not mounted to this point like Starlet's cage, so. But obviously it's a custom cage, so it's understandable. But no, the carpet fits good. We just need to work out how we're going to get trims in with this cage, because this cage sits a lot tighter to the chassis than the Visha's cage, which I would guess is the only other one on the market.
Yep.
But if we can make it work, then we'll make it work.
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
Once the trims are in, it will look way better.
But I guess that's something for next time, because for now it's time to edit and upload this video. So give it an extra like for uploading it and shooting it and etc. on the same day. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you, George, for making Yaris even more amazing than it is. Thank you, Pancake.
We need to do a drive as well.
Oh yeah, are we doing a drive?
Yeah, we'll do a drive on the
Okay,
street.
let's do a drive on the street. But we're gonna say goodbye already now. And also big thank you to Pancake for being an emotional support dog whenever George is
Dropping
losing
a 10mm
his.
socket
Yeah, exactly.
and a ratchet.
Yep.
A bolt.
Yeah, so there's that. See you in tomorrow's video when, I don't know, I need to shoot something for tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we didn't make any drive on the street. Maybe that's something for tomorrow. The reason for that is someone came by.
This is not cool, man.
It's way too cold.
No, this is not good.
Yeah. I want to go back to the Dominican.
Yeah.
Ship all the cars to the States and I'll work over.
Yeah.
I'll go with you. You want to go ship them all to Florida for the winter just to work on them?